from 12 mm to 41 mm wide and up to 1.2 mm thick blades. We show you the parts. This over here is a FRL for setting the pressure. This is clamping pressure, and this pressure is for the welding. Here we have a auto miller that is used for running the blades when the blades are welded. To show you the settings, press this button. Now you'll see the on time glowing. This can be reduced or increased depending upon the blade width, and as per given in data in the manual. This is off time. This also can be adjusted. Therefore the manual. This is a master timer. This also can be reduced or increased as per the data given in the manual. Then this is the heat percentage. There is a current needed for unlink the blade. So when this is done, just press this, and this goes to memory. This is a on-off switch, and this is a push switch for starting the unlink. See, this will keep on giving the current to the welded blade till the unlink is done. Then it will stop. Just switch it off at the moment. This over here is a microcontroller. Here you can set the parameters for welding various width blades. Now I will show you. This here is a schedule select push button. When you press this button, you can see the schedules here. This can be increased to up to 25 schedules. At the moment we kept schedule 1, and that you can see the parameter that we have memorized. You switch it off, go to program. You will see squeeze time we kept for 5 cycles. Again you enter all 0000 till you come to W2. This is the 90 cycles we have kept the weld timing, and this is the heat percentage. This is a 40% we have kept. This also can be decreased or increased as per the data given in the manual and as per the width of the blade. Again when you enter, this is all 000 till you come to a hold. That also we kept 90 cycles. This should be kept same for all the blades. This is the one cycle is the off cycle, that will be same for all the blades. This is 0, so this parameter is set for particular blade. Here is the weld no weld switch. When you press, you can do the welding. When you make it off, the weld will not happen. This one here is the on-off switch for the controller. Here you have the keys for locking and unlocking the parameters. These are two pneumatic cylinders for clamping the blade. This is a clamping foot switch. When you press this left foot switch, the blade can be clamped or released. This is the right side welding cylinder and the foot switch there. When you press the foot switch, the welding pressure will be applied. Then you can declamp when the weld is over. This here is the gap adjusting lever for particular width. Just see these parameters in the manual and accordingly you set, and then put this stopper over here, so you'll stop there for the particular width blade. These are the solenoid valves for clamping and declamping the cylinders. On that side we have a current cutoff switch that limits it, cuts off the current when the weld is over. For welding bimetal blade, you can change the current selector switch from 2 to 3. Here in the controller, when you press this program switch, you will find we kept 5 cycles squeeze time in all 000. This is a weld timing, and this is the heat percentage, all 000. The hold time is same, off time is same. Now this parameter is set for 20 mm diameter blade. Now we'll show you the welding. Now we'll show you the welding. Clamp the blade. Center of the welding job. Touching the fuse copper. Depress the foot switch. Again check whether the alignment is perfect or not. There is not driver. Alignment okay. Then you can clamp the welding cylinder. Now you can press the push button. You see welding taking place. Welding is cut off. Now you can declamp all the cylinders. Take the lever back. Create more gap between the two welding jaws. Again clamp the welding thread in the center of the welding jaws. Now you can press the annealing push button. You will see the annealing being done. When the time gets over, the current will get cut off automatically. See, the current is cut off automatically. The blade is annealed. Now you can declamp the blade. See the alignment and do the grinding of the bar and then use it. Thank you. Now we'll show you the welding of 40 mm wide blade. This is a commercial blade. For that we have selected the parameters of schedule number 1. See how it's clamped. The blades are in the middle of the welding jaws and they are aligned properly. Then you can with the right foot switch apply the pressure. Then you can go to the weld and then you can press this push button. You will see welding taking place. Weld is over, current is cut off. Now you can declamp, remove the blade. See how it's welded. Now you can do the annealing by taking the lever back, increasing the gap between the two welding jaws, again clamping the welded blade in center of the welding jaws, then starting the annealing switch by pushing the push button. You see slowly the annealing will take place.